Hi, my name is Basharia and I'm a design consultant here at Lamont Brothers. Today I want to discuss with you one of my favorite topics, and that is pattern, texture, and color. While gray and white tend to dominate the color patterns of today, we are seeing an emergence of fun colors, patterns, and textures. Whether you choose to do in combination some darker cabinets with white, or if you want to add a fun wallpaper to your powder bath, or my favorite, if you want to do a copper or a brushed bronze on your cabinet hardware. Any of these design elements will provide a custom touch to your home. If you're looking for more inspiration or you want to see how Lamont Bros is infusing color into their projects, check out our blog post, 2020 Remodel Trends, Color and Pattern.